1866.
1800.
1850. 1855.
1885.
1822. Wow, this is an old cemetery. Today we're in southern Indiana, down on the Ohio River. We are hiking the River Bluff Trail, 3-mile loop out along the river, back across the ridge overlooking the river. O'Bannon Woods State Park. This trail appears to be more of a horse trail than more hikers. It's kind of rough in some areas, especially where it's wet. We're right on the Ohio River, but if you look here, you can see where the trail is just, the horses have just really tore this trail up. So more horseback riding on this trail than people hiking, and it's pretty muddy, as you can tell. It's what do you think?
Wow.
It's a mess, isn't it?
Yeah. This is
all right, here.
crazy.
Come on around this way. So far there's been a lot of spots like that where the trails just tore all to pieces and really muddy from all the horses. I don't know I'd necessarily recommend this trail for hiking, especially since we haven't seen the views of the river that we were hoping for. We're just far enough in the woods where you really can't get a good view of it, and then every time there's a low spot where it's been wet, the horses have just tore the trail all to pieces. So, but here we go. Here's a little peekaboo. A little hot out here as well, about 95 degrees. I guess if there's any good thing about this trail, the majority of it is shaded. But right here in spots like this where the sun's hitting you, it's hot.
Very hot.
We saw a big barge through the trees. Wait a minute, I lost her. There she is, I found her again. Taking pictures.
Taking pictures.